Good morning students. Today we will talk about accounting standard and its nature. So you will prepare this topic for 1 and 3 marks. Now what is accounting standard? These are the set of guidelines. These are set of guidelines that is generally accepted principles of accounting. These principles are followed when we are preparing our financial statements, and these are rules, procedures related to measurement, recognition and treatment and disclosure of accounting transactions in the financial statement. Financial statement, as I told you earlier, financial statement is a statement where we will prepare our trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So when we are preparing the financial statement, a set of guidelines which is called accounting standards, we will follow these. So what kind of nature it is? Financial standards are guidelines. The objective of setting accounting standards, why we are following? To bring uniformity in the accounting practices. Uniformity here means suppose firm A and firm B following the same accounting standards, so we can compare these two because these two different firms are uniform while preparing the set of standard. In the same manner, if one company is following in 1997 the same accounting standard, in 98 following the same, so that firm is uniform in its practice. So it will ensure the transparency, consistency and comparability of accounts. Accounting standards are prepared to keep in view business environment and law of country. So according to the law of the country and environment of the country, these guidelines can be changed with the changing business environment and laws, because business environment is not a static, it is a changing environment. Accounting standards are mandatory in nature, so that means we have to follow it, and it is flexible in the sense and are acceptable by all the enterprises. So for example, an enterprise may change depreciation return on value method or a statewide value method. So both methods are acceptable, so we can change any of them. So we can't be rigid on this part. Next, what are the objectives of accounting standard? Why we are preparing it? To minimize the diverse accounting policies and practices. Suppose firm A is preparing its own accounting policies and practices for recording the transaction, and B is doing something else for accounting policies. So to minimize such kind of diversity, we have to follow accounting standards. For better understanding of financial statements, for accounting policy can be adopted and applied and understandable at a wider level. So that is why it should be uniform in nature. That is why we are following accounting standards. It will enhance the reliability of financial statements and meaningful comparison of financial statement of two or more entities, as I explained you earlier. So we can compare the financial statements of two entities. That is why we are following it. Then utility of accounting standards. Why it is useful? So it provides the norm. So it is helpful in preparing financial statements. It ensures uniformity. So it will remove the diverse effect of accounting practices. It creates confidence among the users, that is, accounting standards are more reliable in nature. It helps the auditors for auditing the accounts because of uniform practices and policies. Now what are the limitations of accounting standards? Because these are man-made, so it does not pass any verification of test. So there may be chance of difficulties, guilties. So because these are man-made, These can be changed, and these are based on the business environment and law of the country, so which often meet the changes. As I told you, business environment is affected by many. The business environment is a very vast environment. Like legal changes can be there, technical changes can be there, social, environmental, economical, all kind of changes will affect the business environment, and it is not static, so it often change. So there is change in accounting standard also. So this is another limitation of accounting standard.